Welcome to our in-depth exploration of one of the most inhospitable places in our solar system, Venus. Known as Earth's twin due to its similar size and proximity, Venus may appear deceptively inviting from a distance. However, as we descend to its surface, we uncover a world that is not only unwelcoming but actively hostile to human life. Today, we're tackling a chilling question. How long could a human survive on Venus without a spacesuit? The answer reveals the planet's extreme and deadly nature in startling clarity. Let's start by examining Venus's environment in greater detail. The average surface temperature on Venus hovers around a staggering 900 degrees Fahrenheit, 475 degrees Celsius. This blistering heat surpasses that of Mercury, despite Venus being farther from the Sun. How can this be? It all boils down to a phenomenon known as the runaway greenhouse effect. In essence, the planet's thick atmosphere, composed mainly of carbon dioxide, traps heat in a relentless cycle. Solar radiation penetrates the clouds, warming the surface, but the heat struggles to escape back into space. Imagine standing in a pizza oven, where every breath you take feels like inhaling fire. The high temperatures would cause any unprotected human to suffer severe burns almost instantaneously, with skin and tissues failing in mere moments. But it doesn't stop there. The atmospheric pressure on Venus is an astonishing 92 times greater than that of Earth. To put this in perspective, it's equivalent to being nearly a mile underwater. This crushing pressure would have catastrophic effects on the human body. The immense weight of the atmosphere pressing down would crush internal organs, leading to immediate physical trauma. The experience would be like being trapped in a steel chamber, with the walls closing in, suffocating you before you even realize the danger. Now, let's delve deeper into the composition of Venus's atmosphere. The air is primarily composed of carbon dioxide, making up about 96.5% of the total. This absence of breathable oxygen means that inhaling the atmosphere would be fatal within moments, leading to immediate suffocation. Your body craves oxygen, and in an instant, you would find yourself gasping for breath, only to realize that none exists in this harsh environment. Furthermore, the clouds contain sulfuric acid droplets, creating a corrosive environment that would inflict severe damage upon contact with skin or internal tissues. Just imagine being caught in a rain of acid, a horrifying prospect. If you somehow found yourself on the surface, your lungs would begin to fail almost instantaneously, battling against an atmosphere designed to destroy rather than sustain life. The high levels of sulfuric acid would corrode not only organic tissue, but also most materials known to humanity, rendering any equipment ineffective in mere moments. And let's not forget about the constant volcanic activity that characterizes Venus. With more than 1,600 volcanoes, some potentially still active, the landscape is dotted with lava plains and volcanic features. These geological processes contribute to the harsh conditions, releasing even more gases into the already toxic atmosphere, compounding the danger for anyone unfortunate enough to be caught without protection. The heat from volcanic eruptions can create localized hotspots, adding another layer of danger in an already lethal environment. So, how long could you realistically survive on the surface of Venus without a spacesuit? Without any protective gear, you would lose consciousness within about 30 seconds due to the overwhelming pressure and lack of oxygen. The human body simply cannot withstand these conditions, and the experience would be nothing short of terrifying. Once unconscious, death would follow quickly. Within just a few minutes, thanks to the combined effects of thermal burns, the crushing pressure, and suffocation. The timeline is stark and sobering. What might seem like an adventurous trip to another planet turns into a deadly situation in less than 5 minutes. The brutal truth is that even a brief exposure to Venus's surface is akin to stepping into a lethal trap, making it one of the most dangerous places for human beings. Imagine the disorientation as your senses fail. Your vision blurs, your lungs scream for air, and in seconds, darkness envelopes you. The planet's deadly embrace would claim your life before you even had a chance to comprehend your fate. It's a sobering reminder of how quickly our environments can turn from awe-inspiring to fatal. Despite these harsh realities, Venus has captivated scientists for decades. Missions like the Soviet Union's Venera program in the 1970s and 1980s successfully landed probes on the surface, sending back images and data before succumbing to the extreme conditions. These missions provided invaluable insights into the planet's atmosphere, surface composition, and geological history. Venera 7, the first successful lander to transmit data from the surface, revealed that Venus had a hot, dry landscape, challenging earlier theories that suggested it might be more Earth-like. More recent missions, such as NASA's Parker Solar Probe, are designed to study Venus indirectly, gathering data from orbit rather than attempting to land. This approach allows scientists to explore the planet's mysteries while avoiding the deadly surface conditions. The ongoing study of Venus is critical, as it offers clues about planetary formation, climate change, and the potential for habitability on other worlds. Understanding why Venus became so inhospitable could inform our knowledge of Earth and its future, making the study of this hostile planet all the more essential. Some scientists even speculate about the potential for life in the upper atmosphere, where conditions might be more favorable. It's a testament to humanity's relentless curiosity and desire to understand our universe, even in the face of daunting challenges. As we continue to explore the cosmos, the lessons learned from Venus are invaluable. The extreme conditions on this planet challenge our understanding of engineering, material science, and human physiology. To explore such hostile environments, we must develop advanced technology capable of withstanding temperatures, pressures, and corrosive atmospheres far beyond what we experience on Earth. Consider the engineering marvels required for any future missions. Spacesuits for Venus would need to be vastly more advanced than those designed for lunar or Martian exploration, incorporating robust materials resistant to both extreme heat and corrosive substances. Pressure suits would need to maintain a stable internal environment, allowing astronauts to survive without succumbing to the crushing forces outside. Additionally, landers and rovers must be designed with extreme durability in mind. Innovations in heat-resistant materials and advanced cooling systems would be essential to keep instruments functioning under intense conditions. Every aspect of these missions demands careful planning and cutting-edge technology, reflecting humanity's ingenuity and adaptability. In summary, while Venus may appear as a beautiful planet from afar, its surface presents one of the most hostile environments imaginable. Without a spacesuit, you would be doomed within mere moments, succumbing to the extreme heat, crushing pressure, and toxic gases. This stark reality serves as a powerful reminder of the challenges we face in exploring our solar system. As we continue to push the boundaries of human exploration, it highlights the incredible importance of advanced technology and protective equipment. Surviving on other worlds requires not just bravery, but also sophisticated solutions to safeguard us from their harsh realities. The exploration of Venus is a testament to human ingenuity and curiosity. While we may not be able to walk on its surface, our scientific missions are helping us unlock the planet's secrets from afar. As we gaze into the cosmos, let's remain mindful of the extreme conditions that await us and the innovative technologies we'll need to confront them safely. Thank you for joining us on this chilling journey to Venus. Remember, while the cosmos is filled with wonders waiting to be discovered, it also harbors dangers that we must be prepared to face. As we look to the stars, let's keep in mind the extreme environments of our neighboring worlds and the technology required for humanity to explore them. Together, we can rise to the challenge of exploration and unlock the mysteries of our universe.